Hello traders, Day Trader Matt here with thebusinesswithtrading.com, doing a market analysis and key level video for the week beginning Sunday the 2nd of August. Welcome to August everyone. And in this video it's pretty much clear cut. We have one area to look for and it either plays out or it doesn't. Now last week we pretty much nailed it and we actually took this short trade in our swing trade service. We had resistance right up in here we were looking for. We ended up taking this trade with a stop right up in here and ended up taking profits right down here at the lower end of our support. And you can see price did come down a little bit more, but it actually did bounce and it came up, and this was our resistance area right up in here we were looking for. So it was a very awesome week last week. We were able to see our resistance to support and then see it into our next key level. So that was very interesting to see. So now this week it's set up in a very clear-cut situation. So what I'm seeing right now, looking for price to be able to sell off a little bit more and looking at this region as support. So we have 2084 down into 2072.50. Ideally, I would like to see 84s to 76, maybe even just staying above 80s. But all of that is going to be support. Just because, it can play out a little bit more weak than not. So that's why I'm giving it the possibility of actually being able to pull back a little bit more, because that's what I'm thinking. After it does support this 91 half level, 2091 half, it's going to be very important because it's going to need to get above that and stay above it a little bit. So getting above it and then getting above 2095 should be pretty decent, and that should start to signal that price is probably going up into 2040 plus, something like that. There is a possibility that the market does go a little bit lower, and that's why I really want to see a break above 2095, and then 2099 quarter is going to be important as well. So all three of those levels are going to be important. I would say the longer it stays above this yellow line, the better it will look. But it really is going to have to get above all three of these. And after doing so, I'm thinking 2040 plus, 2140 plus would make a little bit more sense. So 2140 plus is what I'm looking for above these lines. If it does actually sell off, maybe it gets below this a little bit and then comes back up and then stays below this area here, the 2095 to 2091 half, stays below that, or maybe it gets in and comes right back down. And then it's possible that price does revisit 2050 to 2030, maybe something like that. That's not really what I'm thinking at the moment, but it could play out. So that's why I am talking about it now. My primary is it comes down, it supports here, starts to move up, gets above these areas, and actually goes quite a bit higher. So I like to support here. That's what I'm looking for this week. The first couple days are going to be crucial. Monday, Tuesday, they should really show us what is playing out. Maybe it goes into Wednesday, but I'm thinking Monday or Tuesday we're going to kind of see what's playing out, and then that should give up the rest of the week and possibly the rest of the month, maybe going into next month. So it should be very interesting to see, and it should be a lot of fun. So that's what I'm looking for, and we'll see what happens and go from there. So if you have anything to add to it, maybe you have an analysis that's slightly different, feel free to add below, or you can email me directly, support@abusinesswithtrading.com, and I'd love to hear your thoughts. That's what trading is all about, is being able to look through different perspectives and maybe see something that you're not seeing. So that's what trading is all about. So with that, thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day. And also, if you enjoy the analysis, feel free to like, share it. Get the information out there. I would appreciate that. Have a great rest of your week. Awesome trading, everyone. And I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.